Enti enra enya de akwati by election no questions be nya be duru enra am the election questions kama bibi akoya asumdwe na busa hono no NDC vice chairman Azoka cause trouble bi ewo hono ama comedian no so de a amount edam no omu kire say sebe NDC has become more or less like animals party TikTokers for no abe crash chairman Azoka ifanra ensimhunu a okodi ewo hono mo I Penyah block media. Mess was any demo. Obe like video no other my subscribe button so be click notification icon for latest updates. Now be chere wa the mama e wo comment section. Mess was boss no achieve don for so enya be action. Enti akwati by election. One of the elections in fact na me dream say ebeye Ghana's most peaceful election. In fact, ebeye violence free election because security measures are employed for the go akwam no na enya simkuma. Hey, police for the kogu ukuro ni mo no. E say ye kowo. Etimi kwam ka say na akwati by election. Me nya sure say obi hu kura ho fran be kan because security tight. There was ya. Yes baby a nyame bo na pesi na bo nsam so tunu kobi. Bebe nyanjafo ehia o de ya akwase bi ka ho bi. Se frɛ nyanjafo wi ase nyanjafo nyina be hia. Eya de ya ebenya kwase a wo mu mfimfin. Despite all the security measures American wasem no. And this nigga be ever can't say. I will tell him say they came there on no particular about because of Nana B. After marking Justin Frimpong code and some NPP gurus be
Nana B. Only a short mobile election.
What about some of these actions is not troubling? Given
we are waiting for them. We are ready for them. We know the plan they are taking. Yes. So we are waiting for them. Let me tell you, I cannot say anything in public. But let me tell you, let me. Yes, I'm a communication officer in the party. Constituency communication officer in the party. We have people in the NPP, and let me tell you, we have people in the NPP. I mean, you can say NPP divided two. So we have their people, all my information. Because I must say, I na call for my MP. I na call person the back. Almost all you can. And to me for them back. Okay. And to almost the Omaka fa Solomon. I say on the bed by Omia. I know the back. So MPP divided into two. And to Domu Yabiano, Yehu. So we are telling you people, medias, say, I had here, Nippon and South Penny here. Nana B, another play, and a fellow Michael. But me don't say I mean the shop a fellow Michael. Na call a cemetery. Sana Azoka Kayano, na Quebec by election.
All right.
Later, and a poppy upset. And this for no other time posters. I will be able to have a go election knows the entire posters. I will polling station, the polling center, the entire posters. But any is one by tally posters. I'm off your marking a squad no. Echo ye posters no. And no my end is for an able free. And the end is vice chairman Azoka. Now all be foforo or test yourself in your marking boys no akwate tally akọ yi posters na o mateta no and no bad side on to better for your marking anyhow eho and be send the words of caution and send go be 12 your marking in fact and can there will be a by election e will efutu coincidence be after your marking and can there will be a by election meaning say nka after your marking will be dead.
We understand that after your marking was here
because of him where we come here.
You came here because of Penyah marking.
We don't do by election in hometown.
Why did you come here because of Penyah marking?
Fiang, why did you want here? Is it the NDC? Is it the NDC secretary? What did you want here? Is it the NDC secretary? You are coming to our office to do what in our office? Asa, you people are journalists, talk to them. Here you know the parliament that way they do no. Here is a freedom field.
Well, Chairman Azoka clearly unhappy and irate. Chairman Azoka, well, he says he's not taking it lightly. He actually said that he came here to meet Penyah marking square who allegedly stormed the NDC office in Akwetia to remove some of their posters, and it's a really tensious atmosphere here. The process has largely been peaceful until this incident. A number of the party supporters have all thrown here at the party office in Akwetia.
I can't say where you know. Now say we go for Azoka Edra. It's my NPP third vice chairman Masaudu Buga. Yes, I'm calling you. Munyana na free northern region. Munyana na yesiri mfo intake at least. Obe calming down na ye out ye. But Masaudi any Azoka dim come say Masaudi cry say oh na ye nyina your brothers here you phone to all calming just all this serious cry na dey and was a politics and the team te wa munya you phone. Chamazuka edi agura de your mother sad and talk from Masaudi. E man the boys no e ko to Masaudi twede
Munkajo
Anya jiri shela yerma. Ponna wanya ba ma. Ponna jiri anya ba ma. Kanjel ponna ne list bi se kan nyabla ba. Your mother. I say your mother. I say your mother. Look, ponna take the anya ba ma ke. Brother anya ba ma. Brother yo. I say anya ba ma. Brother yo.
Chese and adia ye me hi eye sa useless police officer that ye piano so in China or some verse one say police officer who jina ho to the point say civilian timi so police ni mo twani jina nchen e wo bi ko to twede police ni jina ho na police for no cars bebrebe na ni eyi na mo koye na o man na bo ho kan mo koye de o mo koye de ti sa police no koye de o. The point is civilian. 8 miso police mu. Watch the video. Civilian miso police mu twini jina nchen. Ewo police no ko. Kone yanko kone nya de ebeye. Na just I don't get it. Mentiase. Maintain some na say NDC intina police wouldn't me take action because I remember say IGP can say, oh, be a mistake, by and to coordinate with that person will face immediate arrest. Adia Masaudi, Adia, as you can hear, because he assembled by our standard, a Jimmy Sem by our standard. Papa Penyah would call him Jimmy. Papa Penyah would do Dominic, Penyah would be too full, Ubetum Kurano for just say, and the Penyah who re moja pamutri moja say empa mutima de huruye moja empa mutiri moda party born out of violence and to trust them ni Jimmy Azoka woni abro enti ye bia mu fight open fight e ma woni Masaudu ogina ho yanka wo can even last 30 seconds obeti ogina Masaudu anim for just 30 seconds impo come on I was have fan class me no e course ho no no ana ko media ne so both NDC any social media TikTokers o make can be pa chire Masaudu say masa e yankwase asem na enura papa panyini odi ye
menua no montafo me pese me ni mudi nkomo kakra me sere mo mamfa ne se eyetan mamfa ne se yetan ma mubu mfume de mom se yankwase asem kora na muntie menwie ne sabi uwie na abedi matemo a wadi matemo kameya koyese enu mehunu ensemhunu bia no mona ye famo na mabeyo etisi obi preposition kura na ofamo na ma ye dirty words ni nyina efin adwuma no ye de mo aba abeyo ena me ka kirew menuanom tafo tie me peye baby amufiri no momprim puntuo mfa nkoho adwuma danse wodi wa ho odin bedi sansem hunu ne nkwase asem no fa wo sa ho odin ne fa prim puntuo adwuma efa kosiri mu ho na yutu na wo ho no enya bi nye dan so obeye saa kakaben no fa saa kakaben no fa pra adwuma fa kɔ ukuro mu ho na wo nua no a edi pae so aka ya wi no omunya bi nyo why munya president limam wo firisirem wo ntimi amia adwuma bia wo sirem amfa amamo ya papa kofo bai of our vice president no firisirem Eliu Mahama ono so ntimi anya hwe amfa amamo sabi entafo wo ntimi anya amamo Mahama baye vice president ansa no baye president wo ntimi amie company bia wo sirem ho amamo anya me pese makaka bi nsem na mo ye no utie mi pa yi amamo anyo anu ofiri so na akufu ado so baaye anu yi na ba di akire ba wo mia ono nso ofiri sirem ono nso wantumi anya hwe amfa amamo ana ono nso firi so ana Mahama wasa abesi so ono nso ye tani ofiri sirem kame yakoyese adehunu ensemhunu sabi kwasi asem bia no mo ne yekofa mo ne yede mo yo abra mu kurom adwuma papa bia ni ho sabi ebi mu firi mu kurom ba ebeda ekwa ho ebi mu firi mu kurom ba eba be ye kayoyo da bia bi da kora nye okoto se bi da eda ayi overhead ase a ni nyina mu firi sirem eti saa no mehunu ene saa ntokwasem a mode ye no ana mode saa pressure ni esi aban ne so amena ye bibi ewo mukuro mu ho amamu ankenye mehu akotia ba election mo ankasa mo ho ba ko de ne nsakoro tuni hwene wo tuni ni nua hwene he mo no mo ho saa abato nti utu nua hwene obi pani ni wo mu di manu be fa mo ho saa amanyofo di mo ho o manu be fa mo saa because onim se adwen sabi mi nyansa no sabi mi nuanom ntafo no ebi mu ni bi to mo be data mo wo mu di ma ye hwantokwa esi ho entokwa esi ho ni asade kafiri asa to mo so mo nantem akokɔ ye bua mo sa akokɔ ti sa hoden tutrasem na mo ya mo di enoma sabi asensa mo a mo fra ni se nuro a wa ye se bodam ni na wona mo no dwene ho na pra dwuma ni mpuntuo fa ko okuru ti manya nkrofo mako nan but emu bia ntimi amoa mo ugusu di nkwasi asam me de partu be soso e ma bu mfumi pese me ko asem de partu soso amamo
Azoka ma yanka sam kire wo achime mu ho no e ho mo nye wokro mo e ho nye sire mu ye mo de mu jimi na mo de ko ba bia no Azoka ma yanka sam kire wo akwatia na wo de jimi e ko no enkonko jimi wo ho no mo a wa hia wo nua as a national officer esire mu ni na wo papa panimu a wo ti hu na afu dwon na woni ne kwa akokon entokwa na anankola mo na omo pata wo jimi na wa jimi pitin wo nkola abrem na wonya enkofo antia wo no NDC na wo no wo mu na jimi na mo jimi no yaso hwe ne ye ba bia wo fi ba na ho no nyesire mu yen akanfo no achemfo no yen pesa jimi ni mpentokwa ejima mfa jimi ema akwatia krom a emfa jimi ma akwatia krom yen kanetie ko sire mu na kono kokon ko boko ni tamale ni yi den da gomba ho no na yesamokon jimi na mo jimi wo ho no no emfa ma achemem emfa ma kamem e ho no nye okrom se wa jimi a mo de bia no jimi nyema nko na da bia mo de mo ye klase ni wo papa panimu a o de enkra akọ ba bi na ade o tag krampo ebo wo no kom a wo no wo hwe den abato so ama wa party jimi na wo ko jimi entokwa chete wo mu chete wo no fi se chete wo chete eniema no eni ne on na wo ni chama buga na wo ne kwa akokon no se ye jamu mi ni se ya wo no betimi ni chama buga kon Azoka ye jawo ni chama buga se ya obetimi ni ene chama buga onim akọ jimi na wo jimi o to bia ebu for because when you jimi na wo jimi no aye oka se oba hwe za video we ya obehu se se me papa wo jimi sa se me papa onim nyansa oba hwe za video we ya Obeka say wo papa wa Jimmy sa so ba ko school na say oni money obi ekonya sema omo beka che say hwe wo papa Jimmy okọ Jimmy ye wa akwatia papa panimu na o Jimmy klase ni de bia no eya yes mu honti no omo ka pepefo asem mo ka pepefo asem as ne pepefo de omo nye nipa so pepefo bi ye good pa pepefo ye good but mo honti no omo ma mo Jimmy na mo Jimmy nti no yes mo ma enkofo bi mo pepefo din papa aboa todua klase ni Jimmy papa panimu Jimmy kwana koko wa so awoma na fa wo mo ko no se wo ko no wasesa enkofo ma enkofo na wasesa wo na wo de o makwa kogu ho na mo kwa akọ Jimmy na wo di wachi na wo pi se azoka kwase ade na wo ko no nkwa wanko odwan ade na wo ko no nkwa ante wanko odwan ya di no eyi musuo kwase ko me se ho no nye esremu ko sem na kwana ko Jimmy wo ho aboa
Ghana for asemaba man e fe ne say Azoka o say Azuka nti o so powerful say Ghana mbla ntimi dinana nimpa trete afenyo markings sitting MP say oso no mu a oboku no hwe de okokoye chemabuga ewo ho se chemabuga so ayobi ano so petutu asema te so no a ankantokwa besi ho no nkanye izi obi krom hwe de okokoye wo ho no dingina a police for gina ho montimi anchema we afana nkotu nti o so powerful say Ghana mblanti mindi nana ana asisi na NDC by na mblanti yimo Ghana enchi NDC for Ghana because ade we man we kokoye threatening afan makinsi say NPP ni no kokoje ye ya nke ba china kwa kotum ka se mpo na sempu nke bi mpo bail mpo ke man bail because ebi mi kokeka nsem keke ye chi omo kotum man wa koto nsa ne chidi for akwo bobo asum wo honum a police for gina honum no omo pa chew say man hey o hwe video no ma oh yes a police for yes la munja oh hey Ghana pa na aye fusi dam palo so a agasa nkwasa se munyi da be koso a police for si atechire omo nse gu omo chiu say den omo ntimi nteki action bia we nka no an say atechire omo nyina kogu cab omo van ni na de omo ko na so we de ye hu ne sa omom na pata police for pata tokwa ise so mmechi nko for de omo akọ omo pata tokwa na minim Azoka no se minim so powerful say Ghana mlani ntimi chichiri no chairman keke because of a NDC chairman and power and power you know oye boni an ntimi nka NPP no koye sa ade we ya nka si a china kwatum da what a country
na wo Azoka kura na menimu da ene ne mahu wo e wo akotia by election mahu se wo video that TV so wo don mama kura ma wo dum obetima ye wo ba kokora wie mi bisa wo NDC for ma wo si dan wo to ka wo hwa wo ma
yeah me mentan shada ana me kura mentan kasentia Ghana Police Service and national securities bambesen bisa se ndi Ghana ha your police and your national security ukruma is just a question keke. I think say me share the by election now course no me I am watching 1 2 3 things. I think ntafu mi nu na they are not important that in Islam Yenuanum in Islam the whole Ghana police. I don't know what you people want. Minim the Ghana police. Minim ehu abeshe omuma na mi. A whole police who jina an ordinary person. Such a foolish person. A pian or push you or ball. Now what you are begging a just a person because of so what party munti. O Jimmy unti mintiano. You are begging him. Hey, Nasa police for my buffer. Any issue with yeah, Okada driver, and also Okada driver, and now a taxi driver. Police in this shower don't give him chance to arrest you. Because you also my fool. Because even in talk with Nkokrafomi, they are begging one person. Any police, what is your work in this country at all? I don't know your work. So muntimin guide imputetia. What is your work? What is your work? You are begging. Come on. Say, or your chairman or your demo, I don't even know. Oh. Is there more respect saying for mama as a police in a way? Police in Ijina, not ordinary guy. A pian or ball. Untimi have a galam say for no Jimmy. I'm telling you, bent me Yamafi. Mujimi. Some more galam say for. And then I'm uncle. Kagalam say was wrong. Come, me say. Mujina ho ordinary person about o pie police for. I think the police for done beggars no more beg shame on you. Big shame on police. Ghana police service. Monimo guase papa. Monim aguase papa. Mata de na shame say hu ni say empty o. Empty. You mata de say empty because you say you people don't have power anymore to over arrest anybody because say obi gina ho konto kwana mumu ntimi arrest the person more than say more panic e de na akofie dia you are big shame. You are shameless. I'm telling you people.
Hey, motion video be able NDC my way so akwa sign the death warrant. Asama na no be kind. Plain the na go for the beshiwo men kabusu for yaw. Plain the nipa 8 the kwhwe no ma NDC from Penyah and Koko and 9 in the room. And they have aquatia card Jeff can kwhwe no as a papa penyini. And your politics baby there might be doa papa penyini to several. Jeff kibetimi aya wo ba. You wish him dead. We wish him dead. Everybody, than my papa no why, no fun idea. Jeff can remember who buy. Na sa some now can no, and then one man any friend of the war. Muta so ka politics I am Pama. And there are some crying and this year, been no person we. And this is when you are for no more castle shower about Omon Papa in the pa. But Jimmy for the be a shower back up Papa in the pa. I will go to Yamana Chap for Mamuso. Oh, I don't know what it. Video no.
No, but what way post Africa no. Can't know a police station. Can't know a police station. Dear question, I said, cut you. Nakupa has about 20 car. Can't be born you. Sakod you. I'm not happy to say it. Can't be born you. You can't see any Jimmy. Now, once you find out you're more people before, Nakupa to Amunaka. I do my money, Nakupa to Amunaka for political.
Chamazoka, also to Hana Okondo Tokana Oseko. Wallahi se obua. Okondo Tokabia, se Okondo Toka, Koboku, a Hona, Omokuntoka, Nakokun. Now, you who say Ampa, Okondo Toka. Now, to Babi, among for your politics. I will be a children, Junior Hona, Obejina, Kase, Okondo Toka, Hona, Okuntoka. Sadia, we, what Gusro for you animase, what Guyanimase. The Bian said for Bocoso, dear Trumusa. Cause ya de bia sabi yamfanya sana adwen to ho what I sense and for no mu share hede no mu ye unko ahia wonu akuma ase chese oh chama oh David.
If I told you that NDC is the most useless party we have encountered in the Fourth Republic, you will be there denying. Look at what Azoka did in the by-election at Akotia. Look at what Azoka did. Your brother, even to an extent that Chamambuga is embracing you, telling you, you are my brother. You are my Dagomba brother. Still, this man keep insisting to an extent that he even threw a blow to Chamambuga. This NDC political party, from president out to Zoom Lion, they doesn't demonstrate like this. Like they don't practice, they don't practice good governance. They don't practice democracy. If I say this, a lot of the mammals will be aside and they are making a lot of noise. Listen, I am speaking sense into your ears. Listen to me. Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia, Asembia Midibetu platform, so me Kenyans Asama Chiremu. Munti Hasem. Listen to what what's the name? Azoka did. It is very bad. We've condemned it as Ghanaians, and we've condemned it as the Gombes, we've condemned it as Mamprusi, we've condemned it as Mosi, we've condemned it as a Nordness. In fact, Azoka, it is so ashamed. You should be ashamed yourself. Azoka should be ashamed of himself. In fact, for this deed, Azoka should be ashamed of himself. He has not done well. This by-election was going on very, very peaceful. Chairman Buga came to you as a brother. He even embraced you. He tried to embrace you. Look at what you did. Adam Dahanyabama. Adam Dahanyabama. Adam Dahanyabama. Do you people know what it means? If you joke, you will fuck your mother. If you joke, you will fuck your mother. That is what Azoka was saying. Adam Dahanyabama. It is very sad. So we are sending this straight record to the NDC and its majority caucus. What they have started in this nation, if they want it to end, they should better stop it. But if they want this practice to keep happening, in fact, they should keep continuing doing this. It is very bad. I have heard this and I saw it live. You can see it up here. Just watch it up here and see what Azoka did. Azoka, an elderly man like Azoka. Others will be learning from you at this age. At this age. You are very, very, very ashamed of your deed. In fact, you and the entire NDC should be ashamed of yourself, including John Dramani Mahama and your aspirant for Akotia, who is reviving for the MP there, the parliamentary candidate there. You should be ashamed of yourself. Chairman Buga, why are there? Chairman Buga is the best. Chairman Buga have shown the entire Dogombes. He have shown entire Mamprusi. He have shown the Gewazulia that NPP, we still have people who thinks about the nation. We have many people who care about the life of the innocent Ghanaians. Because what this man did, Azoka did, all the NDC communicators should condemn it. It is very bad. It is too pathetic. Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia Mijina Hanum said, "Me kanchira mo say, Akotia, we are winning." Lawyer Solomon Asumadu, we are winning the seat 24/7. And Mamunsuro, we are going to win the seat. Asumadu Solomon Afa. It is possible. It is possible.
Azoka intended their course, so they are Yohonu. Are you happy? Said the police forces so more power. China Papa Penyah, show about you meaning for white. The white gray hair stand for wisdom. You should be a man of wisdom. It's not everywhere that you want to show your strength or hoyeding. What they bath in your marking so? Forgetting whom our fenyo marking is. The parliament okay, means what now will be that because me ko check here no nothing show like that. But you are saying that Akwetia Honomone in your parliament house. Something they do you at your age for you to be advising people to stay away from violence. You are the one ahead of the violence and you are happy. And I'm a power. We Azoka, watch the video very well with your family or watch the video, you this man, and then let your children tell you how you misbehaved. Police force stop out say, men konto how to one sir. What's answer about treating a fin your marking? You see, you crash one way. Maybe one the Wunya boys need to now feel it's a bit in a Casadia Fafinyon, but Osahin just no day on his own like that. And we are telling you, say, Azoka, so Hondia, go to the north. Where you are coming from, that is where people are experiencing unrest. People are not happy. Go there with this strength. Go and give warning to people who are fighting over there. Don't come and threaten a sitting MP. Who the MP that who named the way to the MP that you not come and say and your mark here. He doesn't respect. Ombu nye de usuban we Azoka. Why name? This your behavior make who respect you. You put a suffer on yourself and you misbehave. Anyway, Yendia will not sit for you to come after Afenyomaki because over here is somebody we will cherish. And so make sure that Afenyo will return from Akwetia very safely. Oye baby na oho any problem. But the working we are expecting that Osahin will return to the Futu peacefully. And that is what we are looking for. Next time, respect yourself because you are expecting others to respect you. You must respect yourself very first. My name is Village Blogger. You go help me share this video. Let's support our MP. Thank you.
Mom, me the pan, the way a chairman buga, a comport in a one to Ninsa, our panisum. My respect is a man, the pan. A danger, I'm into election way, chama, papa no chairman bugasa, and obey Marcus chairman bugao. Monto Mubo, is just a by election. And ya diggy bia. I would tell one sack of bonani. Nipa yi mu kwa na ne kasa wanya abotre esre enti mane ho kwan so obechirechire obibi mu obechirechire NDC for mo ye niam bi ma ye kra ye nu mu to dodo
Chira adwe mame e wo comment section aha Penyah Block Media akra